Hi y'all, it's me, your friendly Midnight Quilter here to share some exciting news. Bluprint is the official DIY partner for Bravo's new season of Project Runway. Bluprint created a new series, Runway Remake, where me and my Bluprint friends reimagined the show's weekly challenges with our crafts of choice. In this sneak peek, I'm going to show you how I mix prints and fabrics for my remake, a modern quilted wall hanging. Do you know who loves fabric more than a fashion designer? A quilter, of course. I mean, seriously, have you been behind a quilter at a fabric sale? If so, you know exactly what I'm talking about. For this challenge, I'm thinking a lot of prints, but a smaller project because I don't want it to take forever. I'm gonna make a quilted wall hanging. So the techniques I'm using for this wall hanging is kind of planned, but kind of improv, a little stitching and some flipping. It's a little organized, but a little crazy, well, kind of like me. And this, my friends, is my stash. All I have to do is decide which ones will make the final cut. So let's get to it. I'm thinking a nice, bold, beautiful floral print. Yeah, this one is gonna be perfect. We need something that's a little more neutral. So this warm gray is gonna make it mesh well with the other fabrics. Speaking of different fabrics, I have this luscious sateen. It looks amazing, and I think I'm gonna use it in my project as well. You, my friend, have made the cut. I know, if you're a quilter like me, you might be wondering why I have velvet. It's not a fabric I normally use. That soft feel, that beautiful texture, it's gonna be perfect. Speaking of texture, I'm gonna use this metallic linen with a little bit of sheen. It's like I'm all business, but willing to party. Even some good old quilter's cotton. Look at that yellow, sunny and warm and so happy. Ooh, or this dark gold, that's like a pop of drama. Or how about this chiffon? Now I know it's a little see-through, but I'm actually gonna double it up. And when it comes to picking fabric and prints, why stop at the fabric? I can maybe repurpose some of my older scarves. For the final one, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of gold, a little shimmer, a little different colors. So I think all these fabrics are gonna be perfect for my project. Such beautiful colors. This one wants to stand out when it really needs to blend in. So I'm gonna have to put you aside for now, but don't worry, I'll use you for another I'm sorry, listen, it's not you, it's me. I think you have a great personality and you're gonna be perfect for another project. But for right now, we just need a little space. So I'm gonna set you aside, please. Don't be upset, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be all right, okay. Rejecting fabric never gets any easier. But you, I love all of you, so let's get you cut up. I am a huge fan of Project Runway, have watched almost all the seasons because I love anytime people are being creative with fabric. Be sure to check out the full series on Bluprint where you can see the fun details I added to take it from quilt to artsy decor. You can find the info in the description box below. You don't want to miss it.